I'ma head out then.
You running all black brick in this one?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. You got it looking good too.
Black brick and then battery hookup. They have me on with the stem.
Yeah. Those hold up pretty good. Better than.
Yeah, Mike has ran them for like 4 years or something. He's got a 192 amp hour bank in the bottom there. I just have 96, but that is enough to supply 15,000. And I'm only got, you know, that's a 1600.4 4-channel on my mids, and then the 5K, which will be more. But I did it so I'd have room to grow because Blackbrick just announced they're coming
30K.
out. Yeah,
I saw it.
Well, I've been talking to Austin for a long time. He's been prototyping or using twin. I want you to hear that song because it's got good range, but like that app I open it up and then it just starts playing stuff, man.
I just get to doing things.
It's like, man, I didn't ask you to do that. I want you to go to my library, please, so I can start from scratch here with something. All right, DJR, let's go. I got one of Jake, or what's his name, from Decal Daddy.
Kyle. Yeah, Kyle. Yeah, he got some nice in here.
Yeah, so
you gotta get to check it out.
Yeah, I just, you know, I don't even know what I'm doing on this. I literally finished the build in Palm Beach the night before last. I put the frame in and bolted it through the chassis.
So you drove all the way from Palm Beach here?
Yeah.
Good ride, wasn't it?
It was a good ride.
How long? How many miles? I mean, how many hours was it?
It was like almost 11.
Oh, man.
Yeah, it was a minute, man.
A lot cooler.
old school stuff. I'm 40, so
Oh, yeah.
I'm a little older. You know?
I ain't too far from it.
Okay, yeah, I like some older stuff. And I've had
The newer stuff ain't like the older stuff, is it, man?
No, it isn't, man. You'll appreciate this, man. So,
I know exactly what you're talking about.
Here we go. This one sounds pretty good in here. I gotta turn that right to there. Now this thing
Didn't want to.
It knocked off my CarPlay. That's the only thing I don't like about this JVC is this USB. It jumps it like
they kind of.
That amp's warm. I'm just worried about blowing that thing.
Oh yeah, you definitely want to make it through, man. Tell them what.
Yes, those subs are definitely not going to blow.
Which ones do you got right there?
Those are the Brick House, Black Brick Audio. They're Brick House line. So 4-inch voice coil, 470 ounce motor, 3,000 RMS, which is conservative.
Oh, yeah. Pretty stocky stuff for subwoofer then.
Yeah, 72 pounds each. They were tough getting in there. And hitting the pre-drilled holes, you know, to line up.
Gotta
with the
line
woofer,
up, and then you gotta.
Oh man, just turn them a quarter-inch is tough.
Hey,
for 72
so you gotta work
pounds.
the mufflers out, don't you?
Oh man, old Kansas boy, I had to work for it, man. But,
it was worth it though.
Oh yeah.
Where can I find you on social media?
Well, I'm not really. I mean, you can follow me at just Brett Watts at Facebook. I'm there. I'm gonna start a YouTube channel, but
yeah,
I really know where you're at.
Make sure you do that, man. I'll be sure to subscribe. I'm gonna try to tag you and Black Brick in the video.
Please do.
Okay, yeah. I sure appreciate it, bro.
Absolutely.
Thank you, man.
Appreciate you coming by, man.
Yes, sir. Appreciate the demo.
Man. Absolutely.
Yes, sir.
Enjoy the rest of your day, man.
You too, man. I'm gonna try to stay cool, man.
Absolutely. Oh, thanks, man.
Thank you.
Big moves, I'm that dude, but I see
You got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.